Hey there, design enthusiasts and budget-savvy decorators. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate source for affordable interior design inspiration. Today, we're diving into the hottest interior design trends of 2024, all without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right. From budget-friendly decor hacks to wallet-friendly design solutions, we've got you covered. But before we jump into the trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly tips and tricks. Let's get started. 1. Sustainable chic. First up on our list of affordable interior design trends is sustainable chic. Embrace eco-friendly materials, upcycled furniture, and nature-inspired decor to create a stylish and sustainable living space. From repurposed pallet wood shelves to vintage finds, sustainable decor doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about creativity and conscious consumption. 2. Statement rugs. Make a bold statement in your home with statement rugs, a trend that's as affordable as it is impactful. From geometric patterns to vibrant colors, a statement rug can instantly elevate your space and tie the room together. 3. DIY artwork. Who says you need to splurge on artwork to add personality to your space? Get creative with DIY artwork, a trend that's both budget-friendly and personalized. Whether you're painting abstract canvases, creating your own gallery wall with thrifted frames, or crafting macrame wall hangings, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it's a fun way to unleash your inner artist without breaking the bank. 4. Multifunctional furniture. Maximize your space and budget with multifunctional furniture, a trend that's perfect for small spaces and savvy shoppers. Look for pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as storage ottomans, convertible sofa beds, and extendable dining tables. Not only do they save space, but they also save you money by eliminating the need for multiple furniture pieces. 5. Vintage vibes. Bring a touch of vintage charm into your home with vintage vibes, a trend that celebrates the timeless appeal of retro design. Shop thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces for vintage furniture, decor accessories, and statement pieces that add character and warmth to your space. Mixing old and new elements creates a curated look that's both stylish and budget-friendly. 6. Minimalist living. Simplify your space and budget with minimalist living, a trend that focuses on quality over quantity and decluttering your surroundings. Embrace clean lines, neutral colors, and functional furniture to create a serene and clutter-free environment. By prioritizing essentials and eliminating excess, you can achieve a minimalist look without spending a fortune. And there you have it, the top interior design trends of 2024 that you can actually afford. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly design tips and inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating on a dime. I'll catch you in the next video.